Okay, when we can't help but see customers money. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company.
Hey, okay. Heard the Mark Patrick weight loss exercise? Well, I attended because my father stopped working with no my desire for soda and fast made me want to exercise, and I lost 60 pounds in 6 months. My energy level exploded. I went to another session to deal with some other problems, and I lost another 10 pounds. In fact, I brought my husband
You all right?
who lost weight. More important, cholesterol
Yep.
and blood pressure. My friend went, and she lost 20 pounds in the first 2 months. So does Mark Patrick's hypnosis work? Oh yeah, it works. Nothing has changed my life more.
Matt.
Maybe my husband. He's so proud of me.
That's not fair. He's his wife.
Oh, is he?
They're riding bikes.
Bill?
Yeah, probably.
Mark Patrick in the comfort and safety of the living room. Live online seminar in the West Virginia area will be held live Saturday, June 6th. Register now, only $49.99 at markpatrickseminars.com. Hello, my friend. This is John. This is George Lopez. Congratulations. I'm George. Life is not fair. And it is not. Heaven is not mine. I'm sorry. Life, like the French way, rarely goes as planned.
That's pretty good, baby.
It was.
Choose this crisis fast point, but you can't choose how you feel. On the world way to go like the lead. Podcast. I know what you're at. Online at on your phone with the iHeartRadio app, on hundreds of devices, on Alexa, Google Home, Xbox, and Sonos. Sponsored by Rocket Footage by Blink of Love. This is yours. Weather tonight forecast.
You behind me?
Yep.
Right of a shower, you can rumble hundreds of showers south for 20 most in the upper 50s. Tomorrow, then, mostly cloudy and breezy, scattered showers, even thunderstorms. Better chance of rain probably in the afternoon. Rain and thunder 62 for Sunday. More rain and thunder 70 on Monday. High for your weather 9 meters per hour.
I seen that deer. I thought it was a real one.
By Quicken Loans is prepared to help. If you need mortgage assistance, contact their team 24/7 at rocketmortgage.com. From their home to yours, the team at Rocket Mortgage is with you. Visit rocketmortgage.com. Eagle 1075, Rock Station.
Like Alice's mama's home.
What? I was gonna say it was Matt, but he turned off.
I know. Always have a good time, right? Hanging in there. Thank you for letting me hang out with you here. Kind of nice time. About time to fill that void with sand. And shut up.